No Small Business Legal Kit Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most small business owners get overwhelmed by legal paperwork, but the surprising truth is that Nolo offers an all-in-one solution at a very accessible price. The Nolo Small Business Legal Kit starts at for a digital package, which include customizable legal forms, contracts, and step-by-step instructions for starting and managing your business. Or you can get a physical copy shipped to your door along with additional worksheets and checklists. This kit covers essential areas like LC formation, partnership agreements, employee contracts, and intellectual property protection. For example, if you're hiring your first employee, the kit provides a legally sound employment agreement you can customize for your state. Nolo also includes guidance on compliance, filing requirements, and protecting your business assets, helping owners avoid costly mistakes. Most people spend hundreds or even thousands on lawyers for similar documentation, so the kit offers significant savings on maintaining legal reliability. In conclusion, the Nolo Small Business Legal Kit provides excellent value, combining affordability, comprehensiveness, and ease of use. For a one-time investment, small business owners gain the tools to manage legal matters confidently without unnecessary expense.